Hey, once again, welcome back to Cooking Around's channel. Welcome back. And let's do another pasta recipe, but this time something more on the veggie side. And what do I have for you today? Creamy avocado pasta. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Let's not waste any time. Let's get going here right now. Well, here we go. Look at all these goodies I have on this table. Avocado and some onions. And look at this. I have cherry tomatoes and I had them bought in different colors just to make it a little pizzazz. And I'm going to infuse it with penne. But you know something? You can infuse it basically with any type of pasta you want. It's your dish. Go ahead. So let's get going right now and let me show you how to put this all together. And here you go. Grab your fancy dancy blender and I want you to take one avocado peeled and just put them in just like this. About half a cup of fresh parsley, 1 teaspoon of dried garlic, the juice of half a fresh lime. Now here at this stage you can add more. It just depends how tangy do you want this dish to be. And for that smoothness, let's add 3/4 of a cup of buttermilk. Okay, everything's in. Let's now close the top, get that secure, and let's turn it on to low. And then we're going to turn it to high. And guess what? We are back. And this is exactly what we want. Add about 2 tablespoons of olive oil and let's get this pan hot. Okay, my penne is ready. My pan is hot, so let's scoop it up. And don't worry about the excess water coming from the penne. That is all good. It contains starches and it will thicken up your sauce. So let's keep on moving all this. Now let's stir to get all the olive oil blended in perfectly and around the penne. Now trying to keep this on the light side, let's add 1 cup of low-fat feta cheese. Now let's add 1 chopped avocado, just like this. And let's get that avocado mixed in really, really well. And now here comes the fresh ground pepper. Go ahead, add as much as you want. This is where you make your day. Now let's grab your avocado and buttermilk mixture and let's pour it in just like this. Now, isn't this starting to look awesome? Now at this point, it's very important to get it well stirred. So let's put a little elbow grease into it. Now let's put in our cherry tomatoes. Now here you can add as much as you want. Here I'm adding basically about 1.5 cups, but that depends on you. And don't forget, half a cup of green onions. And here we go again. Let's mix it really, really well. And now take a look at this. Doesn't this look absolutely awesome? And you know something? It's really, really delicious. And see how fast it was? Now, let's get going with the taste test. Well, once again, my girlfriend has beaten me to it. She says again she cannot wait. Now look at this. Does this not look absolutely awesome? And it's nice and smooth and creamy with the taste of the feta and the veggies and the parsley and all the other goodies I put into it. You need to try this because it's absolutely out of this world. So now, again, once again, all I can say is thank you very much for allowing me to present this video for you and your loved ones. And I hope you really enjoy it. So for now, it's goodbye from Tony and Cooking Around.